Why waste money on 4 when you could have 4 in 1? This is a game changer. This will be an awesome stocking stuffer. It is made so well. It is super durable. I know my wires in the car are constantly breaking or they're ripping right over here. This is made to last. It's definitely made to last. This is super easy to change from one to the next. All you do is lift this up and you pull it down. Same with this side. Lift it up, pull it down. They also light up. Look at these RGBs. How cool is that? 4-in-1 charger and colorful lights. Loving this.